Hi everyone, Kenzie here, taking over the Parker Gwen pages, and I am so excited to share the news with you that Parker Gwen is now selling Enclave home audio products on our website. Preface this video with telling you guys that I am no expert when it comes to home audio. In fact, it's something I've always kind of shied away from. However, we're currently getting ready to move into a new house. We're gonna have surround sound in this house, and while my husband really wants surround sound, one thing I don't want is wires everywhere. And that is where Enclave and Parker Gwen are very, very handy, because we can get all of the sound that he loves, and of course that I love, without sacrificing any of that style. So one of the things that makes Enclave really unique is that you can have a full surround sound that's actually wired. I'll show you the surround system that we are looking at. It's called the Enclave Cinehome Pro, and it truly is a wireless surround sound experience. Great, so when you first unpack your box, you will have all of these handy dandy tiny little wires that are going to connect your system to your TV. And then everything comes in these sleek bags to make sure that it is completely safe when it arrives at your doorstep. What I love most about the Cinehome Pro is that the only wires that you actually have to deal with are the ones that connect to the speakers themselves. So you don't have anything too clunky or making your space feel just more like you're in like a tech room as opposed to like a beautifully designed space. So for me, that was like the game changer with going with this system. If you want to learn more about these systems, make sure to head to parkergwen.com, where Enclave is now available.